Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of November 2023 for all the Virgo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of November for all the Virgo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Sun controls your 12th house, and right now Sun is moving in your second house in the sign of Libra. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation is seen from 12th house, your long-term investment, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house, your sleep pattern, your dreams is also seen from 12th house. So right now 12th house lord is moving in your second house. Second house deal with your money matter, your savings, your bank account, your family lineage is seen from second house. Your speech, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. So right now your 12th house lord is moving in your second house. So we can expect in the month of November you will spend a lot of money on unnecessary things